Hi friends, my name is Doknya Abhishek and today's topic is Spring Boot architecture. Spring Boot is a module of the Spring framework. It is used to create stand-alone production grade Spring-based application with minimum efforts. It is developed on top on the core Spring framework. Spring Boot follows a layered architecture in which each layer communicates with layer directly below or above. Before understanding the Spring Boot architecture, we must know the different layers and classes present in it. There are four layers in Spring Boot. There are follows presentation layer. First is presentation layer. Presentation layer is the handle the HTTP request. Translates the JSON parameters to object and architecture the request and transfer it to the business layer. In short, it consists of view, that is front end part. Business second is business layer. The business layer handle all the business logic. It consists of service classes and uses service provided by data access layer. It also perform authorization and validation. Third is presence layer. The presence layer contains all the storage logic and translate business object from and to the database. Next is database layer. In the database layer, CRUD operation is create, retrieve, update and delete operations are performed in the database layer. Now we are validator classes, view classes and utility classes. Spring Boot uses all the modules of Spring like Spring MVC, Spring Data, etc. The architecture of Spring Boot is same as the architecture of Spring MVC. Expert one thing is there no need for classes in the Spring Boot. Creates a data access layer and perform the CRUD operations. The client makes the HTTP request put or the get. The request goes the controller and the controller map that request and handle it. After that it calls the Spring service logic is required. In the service layer all business logic perform. It perform the logic on the data uh, that map to JPA model classes. The JSP page is returned to the user if no error occurred. This is all about Spring Boot architecture in Spring. Thank you.